Hi guys, what's up? It's your boy Sammie and today I'm going to be showing you my crib. What's up, MTV? This is the fourth time that I filmed this, so hopefully we get a good one. So let's start over here. This is my beautiful Brandy Melville collage wall, and I got all of them from like delivery orders and stuff like that, if you were wondering. Moving on, we have my string lights and this decorative vine that I got from Urban Outfitters. It's so cute. I have a few of them around my room. Here is my mirror that I got in 3rd grade, and as you can see, I am almost as tall as it, so when I stand right there, then I can't see my head, but that's okay. And these are just little Brandy Melville stickers that I got from their stores. Look at how cute that is. I love it. Over here, we have another set of string lights because you can never have too many. Oh, oops, whatever. Over here we have my little magic sculpture thingy, and I got it from Urban Outfitters too. This is a Polaroid camera that my dad got for me when I was probably in 4th grade. Here is my beautiful mint green beanbag. Love her very much. Got her in 3rd grade. Just the best. And this is my box for my watch, my one watch, the only watch that I have because my dad got it for me and I would never spend that kind of money on something. This is a little box for seashells. And yeah, I don't remember when I got this, but I think it's cute. Over here we have my little jar for scrunchies and stuff. It's like a little mason jar, but I can't fit my hand inside of it, so that's not the best. It's not very convenient. Here are 2 candles that I made myself. And there's this really cute place near my town where you get to make your own candles, so we got to make our own a few years ago, and I think that they're adorable. This is obviously the only important part of my room. Yeah, just kidding. No, it's just an album from Taylor Swift. It's her Reputation album, and I don't have a CD player, so it's there for decorative purposes. This is one of the many fake plants that I have in my room. She's cute. I don't remember where you got it. We got this at TJ Maxx or Ross or something like that. I don't remember, but this is like a little letterboard and it says like and subscribe, so that's super cute and you should follow its directions. This is a picture of me and all of my friends. A high quality picture. 4K probably. This is me and my boyfriend. We're so cute together. Now over here we have my Taylor Swift poster. I got it from her stadium tour and it's very cute. It was like $20 and yeah, it just like fills up a lot of space on my wall, so that's appreciated. Over here we also have my Taylor Swift calendar. I'm not going to keep explaining the Taylor Swift stuff because I think you get the point that I do like her and I am a big fan of her. That's awesome. Over here we have my Polaroid wall. A lot of girls that I know have like a bunch of Polaroids all over their wall, but I'm not down to spend $200 on Polaroid film. If you didn't know, Polaroid film is $1 a piece. This is a Taylor Swift confetti that I got from her tour. This is her ticket. This is a poster that I got from a magazine, Taylor Swift obviously. This is this is a concert poster from AJR. This is my movie poster. This movie made me cry 3 times and it was so good, and I really like the colors, so I put it up. This is me and my cousin Kendall. Aww. This is a little paper that I put a bunch of flowers on, just, you know, why not? This is a painting that I did like a couple months ago, and it's supposed to be sunflowers. You probably couldn't tell. This is a little Seattle print, and here is a little poster of the Starbucks roastery that I also got in Seattle. There are only like 6 in the world, so it was really important that I went to one because I love coffee, and that was an awesome experience, so thank you, Kendall, for bringing me. Here is one of the alive plants that I have in this room, and I got it a year ago, and I've watered it maybe 3 times, and it's still alive. I'm not even exaggerating, I don't water it, but it's still growing and it's still alive, so that's just really impressive. Now, over here, we have my beautiful iMac. My dad got it for me for Christmas, and I appreciate it because it's beautiful, and just look at her. She's awesome. And this is where I spend 98% of my time because I only listen to music, watch YouTube, or edit. That's the only 3 things I ever do, so I'm here most of the day. We have my beautiful Hydro Flask. Just thought I'd mention that. That's not a part of my room, but it's adorable and I love it. Back here we have a speaker that I don't use. You probably can't see it, but it's not that important, so I don't know why you would want to. And there's also a river rock over there, which is pretty cool. This is my makeup. It's not a lot, but we're not gonna go over it because I don't really care. And these are just like makeup wipes in case I get home from a long, hard day of doing nothing and I decide that I don't want to wash my face, then I just take this and and then just kind of throw it away. And then bam, done, then I go to sleep. Moving on. Oh, if you're wondering where the desk is from, it's from Walmart, and this chair is from my dad's office, and he stole it from me so that I could have a chair that matches my room. But don't worry, he didn't actually steal it because that's wrong. He is like, a good person. This is a little cup that I got from Anthropology, I think, and it just holds all of my like writing utensils and all that fun stuff. This is my camera bag, and it usually has my tripod and my camera in it, but my dad is using that right now, so thanks, Dad. And this is my little electronics box. It's mostly like Polaroid film and like wires and chargers and all that fun stuff. And back here we have a few books and stuff like that, and just like my little camera manual, but I've never read that. This is my little $1 watering can that I got from IKEA. And as you can see, the trash can and the watering container don't match, even though they're both white. That's really annoying, but we're just gonna deal with that. This is my beautiful little table that I also got from IKEA. Built it myself, took like 2 minutes because I am a pro. And this is just an empty water bottle. This is my beautiful Nintendo 3DS XL that my dad got for me when I was in like 3rd grade, and I love it so much. Yes. This is the second half of the alive plants that I have in my room, and I'm trying really hard to keep it alive because, as you can see, there are succulents and then there are flowers, and the flowers need watering maybe 20 times a day. So I'm trying really hard to keep it alive, but there are no promises here because you know that I'm not good at that. This beautiful little clock is my alarm clock. Well, it doesn't really do anything, it just kind of lights up, but that's pretty cool. Over here we have my lamp, also from IKEA. We have my square shelves, and these little succulent thingies are all fake, they're all from IKEA. And this is just like some camera equipment, this is like a lens cap, and this is my battery and charger for this camera. And this is my little like notebook. I don't really write in it, but it's cute, so I keep it there. This is my old camera that I used last summer, and I mean, it's been good, but I switched to Canon, so I don't use it as much. But yeah, she's just there. This is my little mirror, and this is where I do my makeup and look at myself in the morning and cry. This is my cat. She's not a part of my room either, but I love her so much. Yes, and as you can see, she is sitting on my bed comforter. And I got this off of Amazon, but you can also get it at Urban Outfitters for probably like $100. But I got it off of Amazon for like $12, so that was pretty cool. Matches my pillow, which is adorable. The bed frame is now different. It used to be black, as you saw in my previous video, but I changed it to white, and I think that it looks a lot better with my room. You can't really see it, but I think it looks better. This is my body pillow that I've had for quite a while. I don't remember where I got it, but I recently discovered a little secret about it, and you guys are the first to know about this, but yeah, apparently it's a leopard print body pillow on the inside that I covered up with this mint green one, so we're thankful for that, but there's a secret about my room that you didn't have to know. And this is my beautiful stuffed animal. Yeah, his name is Stormy, and he's so cute, and my dad got it for me when we went to Willow Glen in my last video. So yeah, I just love it very much. Now this is my tapestry that I got from Urban Outfitters, and it was probably like 20 bucks, and that was a pretty good bargain. We also have decorative vines and also some more fairy lights up there, but the fairy lights are dead, so they're not on right now. And the very last part of my room is this little cat bed that I have for Nini. And she likes to sleep on it sometimes, but as you can see, she prefers my bed because it's a lot more comfortable than whatever this is. So that's just awesome. that is the end of my room tour. So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, I love you, and peace out, Girl Scout.